Hey there, Tim and Air, Tillman back at you. So this is the new Pen Pal Pro from Holstery.com. I'll kind of get into how this works, but this is the Pen Pal Pro, and as with most of their Pro line of products, it has the metal belt clip versus a plastic belt clip. And this, I'm not sure what this, I don't remember what this stuff is made out of, this backing right here, but it's like a, I don't know, it's like a super duper plastic, super strong, and then got a metal clip right here. So the whole idea with this is you put this on your belt, and then this goes on your drill, kind of like if you're old school like me, you should remember the old Nokia phones. And this is adjustable, but basically what you do is you put it on your drill, and then when you drop your drill in, you go to try to pick that up, it's not going to come out of there unless you turn it 90 degrees.
That's pretty cool, butthead.
I'm going to try to do this with one hand and film it at the same time. And basically I'm just taking my screwdriver and going to take the screw off. This is my Milwaukee Fastback. Almost always have one of these in my pocket, or at least on the clip to my pants of some sort. Now, I did not see in the bag that these come in. Bought two so I could put one on another drill. I did not see a screw in here, so I'm assuming if you have the DeWalt, it's to replace your DeWalt clip. So you have to save the screw, because I did not see a screw in there. So note to self, save the screw. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Kind of see that kind of sits in there in that groove right here. So now that I've got it on there, I'm gonna try to get the screw on there. Seems pretty straightforward. Of course, the Pen Pal Pro, it's very nicely made by Holstery.com. I'll leave a link to this in the description. And so if you want to purchase one, I will get a small commission if you do follow the link and purchase one. So I really do appreciate that. So you put that on there. It's pretty easy to put on. And I've seen some drills that actually have like a little bit holder right here. I think that'll actually still go over it, because it kind of makes it on there. So I'm gonna put this on I'm on my lunch hour at work, so I figured I'm on my lunch hour at work, so I'm gonna pretend this is on my belt. And basically, when you go to drop this in there, you have to turn your drill 90 degrees, and then now it won't come out of there unless you turn the drill back 90 degrees again.
Very shagadelic, baby, yeah!
Which is pretty sweet. So you can put this on the wear this on your left side or right side, either side of your belt. So this is pretty cool. Kind of hangs in there, and then, like I said, if I push this real hard, this clip's gonna actually come off there. But so if I do that now, it's not gonna come out of there unless I turn it again 90 degrees, and then it'll come out. So if you're up in an attic or something, it'll hold on to it. There you have it. I have a DeWalt 8-volt, and I did purchase these, and I have this pack. This is the flat locking pin kit, and I'm gonna try to put this on my DeWalt 8-volt driver. So this is the Pen Pal locking pin kit, and it comes with a couple strips of a couple alcohol wipes, and about 3 pieces of this double sticky back tape, a couple zip ties, and I'm gonna attempt to put this on here, or you can turn it 45 degrees and lock it in. It's hard to do one-handed. So that's 45 degrees locked in, and then you turn it complete opposite. So if I want to put it on here, I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'll put this on here. I want it to be able to come out. If I have to turn this driver 90 degrees. So if I do it like that, and I didn't want to put it in the place of the handle, so this is kind of the only place I really saw, because I need a place for the zip ties going around there. It does have this double sticky back tape, and obviously I can't put any screws in this driver. I really love this thing. I use it all the time. Pull off panels off of AC units and stuff. It's perfect for that. So I'm going to attempt to put this on here. So this is what it looks like with the pin kit attached to my 8-volt DeWalt gyroscopic driver. And you can turn the handle on this like that and drop it down and turn. And that thing's on pretty good. So I have it on my belt now, and if I take it like this and put it in and drop it, it doesn't go anywhere. And I turn it 90 degrees and let it go. It goes down by gravity, and then you can't pull it out. If I turn it 90 degrees again and pull it right out. Hey there, Tim and Air Toolman back at you. So today I've got the mod rig from Holstery on, and I'm up on a roof working on a heater, and I figured I would kind of show you the new product from Holstery.com. So I'm wearing the mod rig, and there's pockets inside, and then you can put tools inside it. I've got a O-light on here. I've got the Magmaster with I'll leave links in the description. I've got a Magmaster with a couple bits on here, just holding those. And then the new product from Holstery is this pin pal, and this thing is awesome. If you saw my earlier part of this video, it has this. You put these pins on there, and they make them for the 12 volt and the 20 volt. DeWalt, Milwaukee, and all that stuff. They're still working on a few new ones, and this is the straight one. So it actually comes with some double sticky tape. Comes with double sticky tape and then zip ties. I thought these zip ties were going to be cheap. They weren't. They were really, really strong zip ties, and didn't break. And then I snipped them off right here even, so you can't hurt your finger or anything, cut yourself. So I put that on there, and this is my 8-volt gyroscopic screwdriver, and you just it's grooved. You can see that it's kind of grooved, so you have to put it in like in an angle, like a 90-degree angle, and then just let it go to where it goes. Now it won't come out of there, so if I turn it sideways, it comes back out, and lay it down. So I'm even carrying a meter in the Joey pouch. This is the Joey Pro pouch. Just a great setup. I really like the mod rig. I want to try something. I want to try to put one of these flat pins on this tough built knife. This is the scraper utility blade knife, where it actually flips from one to the other, and I really like this knife, but there's no real way to carry it. So I'm going to see if one of these little deals will actually fit on here, and see how easy it is to put on there. So I'm going to try that today. Yeah, I'm going to use a T15 Torx screwdriver. Don't lose that little thing. So this clips in here like that, and I'm going to flip this over, get it on overhead, and they come with two alcohol prep pads, and they really work real good. You just got to make sure you clean it really well. I'm going to put this as far up as I can get it. Make sure it's on there. This 3M tape is not a perfect thing, but it's actually pretty strong. And then I usually use a blade and then pull that red cover off. And yeah, it looks like it's going to fit. So I'm going to stick this. All right, where's the pin? There it is. And kind of see how this, you can go on there like this. I want it to lock in and put it in sideways and lock it down. You can do these 45 degrees or 90 degrees. What I mean by that is actually clips into these brackets actually come in a curved bracket and a straight bracket. On the end of here there's a little lip. Zip tie actually rests in there, and there's one on this side too as well. So I'm just gonna tighten up the zip tie, try to get it to where the buckle of the zip tie is on the side, and tighten it up. And these Kaiweets snips are freaking awesome, and sucker landed there. So now I put it on the back. So now when I got my, and Josh will probably like this, this knife didn't have any way of, it's very difficult to put, it didn't have a belt clip or anything that came with it, so it was just kind of difficult to, and the reason I put one zip tie on there is this. I could actually put the other one on top, I probably will, just to use it up, but this action here has to go all the way up to the front, so that's why the zip tie is way up here. And so now I've got the deal in there, and then you just kind of drop it in sideways, let it go, and comes out kind of like the old Nokia phones. So it won't, when you go probably pull it back out of there, if you're in an attic or something like that, it won't come out of there. So that's crazy. Oh, it's awesome. Super, super awesome. Hope Josh likes this one. It's just got a great company. I really like Holstery products, obviously. But so I'm going to use this one up just to use it. So it doesn't interfere with the action of the blade, and I can still use this thing and lock it all the way back down.
That was awesome.
It's got a little pry bar on the end of here, so it's super awesome. I really enjoy the Holstery products, and I think you will too. So with that, I hope you won't mind giving me a thumbs up on the channel. I really do appreciate it. So you're getting good value out of my channel. I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim and Eric, to my back at you.
I'll be back.